What's up everyone, it's Justin here, and today I've got the review and comparison between the Swagtron T3 and the Razer Hovertrax 2.0 hoverboard for the Best Buy Canada plugin blog. So beginning with the Razer Hovertrax 2.0, it's very well built and well put together, and the plastic material is shatter resistant. It feels very compacted and solid, which is something that I definitely enjoyed. And when it comes to the buttons, it has a nice power button on the top, which is very tactile and turns the thing on right away. There's also a set of silicone bumpers found on the top to protect the surface, and the wheel size is 6.5 inches. And what I liked about this hoverboard is that it was extremely smooth and easy to operate. I've tried a few hoverboards by now, and I can tell you that this one is probably the best in terms of the ride experience because it was smooth, it was very fast and responsive, but at the same time felt quite light and easy to control. The battery life is about 45 minutes of ride time, and it takes about 4 hours to completely charge. When it comes to the Swagtron T3 hoverboard, it's quite a bit larger than the Razer. The build quality is something that could definitely be improved. I felt as if it was quite hollow in some areas, and the plastic isn't as strong. It is also larger and heavier, but does have a built-in strap to make it a bit easier to carry around. It was still easy to ride and control for the most part, and one of the best features of this hoverboard is that it has a built-in Bluetooth speaker, which allows you to play music directly on the hoverboard while you're riding it around. The sound quality isn't great, but that's not the purpose of it, and I think some people are going to enjoy that feature. You can also control the hoverboard from an app and select between 2 different ride modes depending on your experience. Ride time is about 35 to 40 minutes depending on whether or not you're using the Bluetooth, and from my experiences it charged in about 3 hours. When it comes to the similarity and differences between the two hoverboards, there's actually quite a few despite them both being self-balancing scooters at heart. Build quality definitely goes to the Razer. It just overall felt more solid, the material was better and was more compacted and just overall better constructed. And when it comes to the ride experience, I definitely have to give it to the Razer as well because it was smoother, faster, more responsive feeling, and just a lighter ride and a sportier feel in general. When it comes to features, the Swagtron definitely has more, including the Bluetooth speaker and the ability to control with the app, while the Razer I feel focuses just on the ride aspect and the experience that brings. Personally, I enjoy the Razer much more because it was a nicer ride, and a Bluetooth speaker isn't something that I would be using a lot, but that just depends on what's important to you. But other than that, you can go ahead and check out my full written review over at the Best Buy Canada plugin blog.